Welcome to your charming new home in Granville Schools on Red Wing Court. Hi, I'm Andrew Nurburg with the Dulce Group at 5 Star Real Estate. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home behind me has everything that you're looking for. Let's go take a look to see what makes this home so special. It's time for this lovely home to become yours. Message me today to schedule your own private tour.
She